Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 10:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, June 21st, 2021. Okay, this is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Twitter link below if you'd like to click on that, and you'll get more than updated on the markets, major market moves. And if you'd like to stay up to date with the latest videos and know when they come out, you click that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. Okay, so let's go straight into the RLC allocation. I'm still in at $5. Nothing new here, nothing revealing. Lots going on in the market, though, so I'm going to skip on right straight into the market. Here's the iExec RLC, or the RLC dollar pair, I should say, and we're below the yellow line. This is not where I wanted us to be, but again, it could be a slight movement in the line to change it, but I don't want to change it. We're going to leave it here. This is a small dip. This is a small dip below the line. We completed this. We're starting to complete this W pattern. Let's see if we can move back above the line. We were down as far as 280, down like 8% from here, down in the 280 range. Okay, look, here's the deal with this. There's a lot going on with Bitcoin. Clearly, Bitcoin's the major driver, but the RLC Bitcoin pair has also not been doing as well either here. So let's just take a look at the relative strength of RLC to Bitcoin. Taking a look at this equation first. RLC is equal to the Bitcoin benchmark multiplied by the iExec relative strength to Bitcoin, or RLCBTC. So we're going to look, we've already looked at the US dollar pair to the RLC. Let's look at Bitcoin to US dollar and RLC Bitcoin next. So let's do this one first. Let's go straight into RLC Bitcoin. Here we are with the RLC Bitcoin pair. Zooming in a bit, little pressure here earlier today, came down, bounced back off. So we're still over this line, although albeit descending. It's a descending line, not the most exciting. What we want to do is reverse strongly here. Now the question is, will we reverse strongly here? Well, look, a lot of the fear that's out there right now is driven out of Bitcoin currently. All right, so we have to work through Bitcoin, unfortunately, first in order for us to get through this period. So last night, or China morning, however way you want to call it, there's been some negative news on a Chinese crypto crackdown on mining plants in China. So, look, for the novice investor, this would be scared. This would be scary for them, right? Oh my God, China's going after. It doesn't mean they're taking it away. They're just stopping and slowing down mining, which honestly slows down the supply growth or the inflation of Bitcoin in the market. Now remember, Bitcoin caps out at 21 million, but we could all be dead by then. But what I'm trying to say here is that supply going down is generally bullish for any kind of commodity. Look at oil when the cartels come in and crack down on supply. Look at things like gold. If miners slow down, gold prices generally go up. Look at toilet paper during COVID when people had to scramble, short of looking for dry leaves on the ground, they had to pay a pretty high price for toilet paper. Now, look, this is not something that is this is economics 101. This is supply demand. So if China's going to slow down the supply of crypto mining, then fair enough. There'll be a subtle shortage or slowdown of supply. And you're going to see, by the way, that supply come online in Miami and Texas if I had money on it. But, I do have money in Bitcoin, so I'm kind of committed there. So I expect that they will displace mining from China into the U.S. And regardless of this whole shenanigan, show, FUD, look, the people that are selling right now are the folks that are uninformed. Okay, most of it is the scared money type. So let them sell off. As far as I'm concerned, companies like MicroStrategy buying $500 million worth of Bitcoin while Bitcoin prices are falling. Look, they are layering into the Bitcoin trade like they should, and they will. This is not the last buying opportunity for MicroStrategy. Believe me, they will be buying more as time goes on if they see an opportunity in Bitcoin prices. And look, let's make no mistake about it. Paraguay is out there looking to create a global crypto hub for the world. Now, look, this is not going to be the last country doing this. We've already seen it with El Salvador creating a legal tender Bitcoin. We're going to see it in Paraguay. And there are plenty of other countries that are coming online and plenty of U.S. states that are also coming online. Let's not mention the 180 that India and Iran are doing. in their countries as well, and plenty of places in Europe that I won't even go through on this video, but lots going on globally with Bitcoin. So I'm not concerned about little crackdowns here and there, that no one's going to stop this train. That train has left the building as far as I'm concerned. And, you know, look, this is right now a perfect buying opportunity of Bitcoin. These crosses, these quote unquote death crosses that I have highlighted in red crosses. These are the red crosses here. There's a couple other ones back in time over here. So let's look at what has happened. In these red crosses, we see downtrends, and then we see an uptrend. These are temporary. These are backward looking. So again, I'm not convinced that these are not always a bearish sign. That people do look at them as bearish, but they don't always equate to bearish movement. Just look back here, actually. If you look at the price at this last death cross, the Bitcoin price was down at 6,300. And all it did was go up, and it went up to 9,000. All I'm saying is don't take every single death cross as a death threat to Bitcoin, because it's probably not. I think long term, we're still in a consolidation pattern here anyway. You know, so let's see how this thing plays out. We've been here before, so this is not like it's not like we haven't been in this range before. So everyone just needs to take a nice breath. Take a step back. Don't trade on emotions. Trade with logic and trade in advance. Have your plan in advance. Anyway, Bitcoin's over at 32,965. RLC US dollars back over $3, and RLC Bitcoin pair at 91.90. So RLC Bitcoin still respecting the trend pretty well here. So anyway, I'm out. Talk soon.